Have you ever wanted to walk through the creation of a package design? This class will help you add package design as a new skill set and help you add stunning pieces to your design portfolio. We will walk through the entire layout, concept, and graphic design process for a package design of cookies. We will take the time to learn Photoshop's many tools to cut out, isolate, and adjust our food photos to create enticing images for the front of our package. We will create realistic shadows, blend our two photos together, and bring out colors that make people's mouth water. We will bring our basic assets into Adobe Illustrator and work on our layout design. We'll walk through graphic design layout principles to create a compelling, high-contrast layout that will draw eyes to our product from store shelves. We will go over what makes food package designs work so well by going over a few examples. And finally, we'll work on our typography to create font pairings for our product. We will adapt our package design to our own custom mock-up using Adobe Dimensions to create a great portfolio piece or presentation for our client. Lastly, we'll add a backside design to our product and work with barcodes, nutritional facts to create a cohesive design that flows from front to back. This class is for both beginners and intermediate level designers, and I hope this class is a great introduction that will open up new avenues of possibilities for you in your ever-growing design skill sets.